3 volunteers were sorting crayons for art kits. First, Mira gave 6 crayons to Jay. Then, Sol gave 4 crayons to Mira. After that, all 3 volunteers had 20 crayons each. How many crayons did Mira have at the start? Pause the video. Try to figure it out. Here's a hint. Start at the end with everyone at 20. Then undo the last transfer first. Picture the final state. Mira has 20, Jay has 20, Sol has 20. Everyone is equal. That is our starting point for the reverse walk. Undo the last transfer. Sol gave Mira 4. To reverse it, Mira gives those 4 back to Sol. So Mira drops from 20 to 16. Sol jumps from 20 to 24. Jay was not involved, so Jay stays at 20. Now undo the first transfer. Mira gave Jay 6. To reverse it, Jay gives those 6 back to Mira. So Mira goes from 16 up to 22. Jay drops from 20 to 14. Sol was not involved here, so Sol stays at 24. We have found the start. Mira 22, Jay 14, Sol 24. Let us walk forward to check. Mira 22, Jay 14, Sol 24. Mira gives 6 to Jay. Now Mira has 16, Jay has 20, Sol still has 24. Then Sol gives 4 to Mira. Now Mira has 20, Jay still has 20, and Sol drops to 20. All 3 at 20. The numbers match. The key to multi-step transfer problems is bookkeeping. Each undo moves crayons back along the same arrow. Track every person separately after every reverse step. Only the people in the current transfer change. Everyone else stays put. The answer is 22 crayons. More people means more bookkeeping, but the recipe never changes. Start at the end. Undo the last transfer first. Track every name. Then undo the previous transfer. The next level gets harder. The story switches from arithmetic to ages, and you have to spot a relationship instead of just unwinding actions. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.